What is good, YouTube? Today, I want to talk about my next investments in crypto, which industry I'm focusing on, also my views on Bitcoin pricing and where it could be headed. And if you guys enjoy this type of video, you can let me know in the comment section below. Now, let's minimize my face because that's not as important. Bitcoin is at an interesting price right now, $21,900. To be honest, I didn't think would reach over 20K anytime soon because previously I predicted that Bitcoin would drop a lot lower to around 15 to 12K. Now, I did promise myself that if Bitcoin touched a certain price point, I would look at the charts again and sell a lot of my positions, and that's what has kind of happened. Over here, where Bitcoin's previous high was in August, right? In August of 2022, we reached around $25,000, and ever since then, we kind of went downhill. Now, this whole rally up, I said to myself, okay, if it comes back and mitigates, that's just a term I use in forex. If it comes back and actually touches this area, I think we're going to go down further. Now, all these concepts and teachings are from smart money concepts in the foreign exchange markets. You can learn a lot of it from ICT. But if we reacted up here, I wanted to see the type of reaction. And let me actually remove this. All right, it just wicked that area. You can see that daily candle over here. It reached 24,261 and went down. And there's quite some bearish momentum going to the downside. What I think might happen is one of two things. I think there's going to be a little, it could pull back up to 22, 23, but ultimately, I do think that we will be heading down. Now, there's two areas that I'm looking at right now. I'm looking at all of this over here. We call that gaps in the market or imbalances. And it could actually just come back down, retest around 18.6, and we could go back up, and that could be the game. But my instinct is telling me that it might go down, clearing these lows over here. So going under 15,000. Now, the reason why I think this is the case, I won't know yet until it touches 18.5. But the reason why I have this theory is because Bitcoin halving is not that close yet, and usually during a bear market, we'll see sideways action for a long time. Now, with all of the rate hikes and volatility in the markets, that's just my directional bias right now. So, what's going to happen for altcoins? I think they're going to get destroyed again, just one more time, and it will give us some of the best buying opportunities. I remember 2 months ago I made a video saying that DeFi Kingdom's Jewel might outperform Bitcoin. I think that coins that have already bottomed can only decrease so much more. Right, coins that have gone down 99%, yes, they can go down another 90%. However, something like a Jewel will probably consolidate around 20 cents. And once the bull market takes off, coins like that could take off as well. But I want to talk about an industry that I've been very fascinated with, and it's artificial intelligence. Now, I was looking at this yesterday on CoinGecko. We can list coins by categories. So you can list it by DeFi, you can list it by artificial intelligence, and I chose to do artificial intelligence. And yesterday, the market cap for this whole industry was 1.9 billion, so 300 mil wiped off. We now know that market cap isn't the best indication. Liquidity is actually more important than market cap. Because even though it wiped off 300 mil market cap, it doesn't mean that 300 mil was wiped away. It was probably like 50 mil, or even less than that. But this was 1.9 yesterday, now it's 1.6. I think that I am going to wait for BTC to take a big drop, because you can imagine, just with, if I zoom in over here, just this one candle, like one daily candle, that took BTC from 23 to about 21, 21, 6, 21.7. $1,300 from BTC took out 300 million of market cap for this whole AI industry for crypto. So I think that if my theory is right, and we will see BTC at 18k or even at 15 or 14k, then the market cap for top AI coins will probably go to like the hundreds of mil. And that's when I'm going to actually put a lot of my eggs inside this basket. I know a lot of people have been talking about AGIX, because it's like the leading coin for this industry. AGIX has made a crazy run up, and that just goes to show that even though you're in a bear market, if you're able to do extensive research and make some calculated plays, I mean, just the start of January, this coin was at 4.5 cents and went to 65 cents. So that's like a 15x return, 1500% return. I mean, that's pretty crazy. So coins like this have seemed to gain some popularity. So I would love to see if BTC does reach lower points. We could probably even come back to these lows over here, and I'll love to purchase some up. Now, what I'll be doing mainly is I'll be allocating X amount of funds to these lower cap coins as well. Once BTC reaches my desired price points, and if it doesn't, I think that I'll have to adjust my gameplay, but right now I'm quite certain. And guys, don't just invest purely from the knowledge that I have. Go out there and study yourself and make your own educated decisions. But AI is definitely the narrative that's going to help crypto back into a bullish run. You have to understand that every single bull run there were certain narratives. So I think what made crypto's market cap so high for the last bull run is NFTs. NFTs, DeFi as well. Do you guys remember when everyone was investing in NFTs? Apes, Board Yacht Club. There was there's every single pixel under the freaking in OpenSea. That actually helped bring a lot of users into crypto and pump up crypto's total market cap. For the next one, right, we need to look at different narratives, and most of the times those coins might not last forever, but for that certain bull run, that's where you're going to get 50x gains, 100x gains. And I truly believe that artificial intelligence is the next narrative that you should be focusing on. And most of my time, investing in these coins will be allocated to research into new projects, new communities inside AI. ChatGPT has come out, and it's been crazy for the world to see the power of AI. There's been a lot of people taking these animated selfies and all these applications. That just means that the world is ready to invest in AI applications ready. So imagine when the narrative for crypto is we're bullish again. Which coins will receive the most love and attention? I also think it's going to be AI. So right now, these are some of the top AI tokens. And I want to be actually investing in coins or tokens that have under 50 mil market cap. Because it's quite easy for a coin to reach $1 billion market cap, especially during a bull run, and that's going to be close to a 20x return per coin. So imagine if you played your card right and you researched 20 projects and 5 of them were correct. That's going to be a decent amount of capital or profit. So that's all that I wanted to talk about today. Just some indications. I am not buying these AI coins yet. I'm waiting for Bitcoin to once again take another dip, and then we'll go from there. Hopefully, you guys have a decent strategy, and I'll definitely see you guys around. Peace out.